Imagine sending your child to school, but there are no teachers, no chalkboards, no traditional classrooms. Instead, every lesson, every answer, every correction comes from artificial intelligence. That's not science fiction anymore. It's reality. Because in Virginia, the first fully AI-powered school has opened its doors. And here's the shocking part. It costs $65,000 per year to attend. This announcement has left parents, educators, and students stunned. Is this the future of education? Or is it just an expensive experiment? Let's break it down. First, what exactly is an AI school? Unlike a traditional school, there are no human teachers guiding the class. Instead, students learn through advanced AI systems. These systems act as teachers, tutors, and mentors. Lessons are delivered through interactive screens, VR environments, and AI chat assistants. Students can ask questions in real time, and the AI instantly adapts to their learning pace. Imagine never waiting for a teacher to check your homework, because AI does it instantly. The Virginia AI School is designed to personalize learning. For example, if a student struggles with math but excels in reading, the AI tailors lessons accordingly. Each child gets a customized education plan, something traditional schools struggle to achieve because human teachers must manage entire classrooms with different abilities. Now, why $65,000? That's nearly as expensive as some Ivy League universities. The school argues that parents are paying for cutting-edge technology, small class sizes, and a completely new model of education. But critics say it's just a luxury experiment for the wealthy, not a practical solution for the average family. To understand why this is so controversial, we need to look at the bigger picture. Across the United States, schools are already using AI in small ways. For instance, apps like Khan Academy's Conmigo use artificial intelligence to tutor students. Many districts also use AI to grade essays or provide practice tests. But replacing teachers entirely? That's a leap nobody expected so soon. Supporters of the AI school say this could solve major problems. Teacher shortages are becoming a national crisis. Many schools can't find qualified staff. Others struggle with overcrowded classrooms. AI could step in to fill the gap, providing consistent, high-quality instruction without burnout, strikes, or human limitations. But let's talk about the risks. Education isn't just about memorizing facts. It's also about human connection. A teacher motivates, inspires, and understands emotions, things AI still struggles to do. Can a machine comfort a child having a bad day? Can an algorithm notice when a student is depressed or disengaged? Critics argue that removing teachers could harm emotional and social development. There's also the issue of bias. AI systems are trained on massive datasets. If those datasets contain bias, the AI could unintentionally discriminate or provide misleading information. For example, imagine an AI history class that underrepresents certain cultures. With no human oversight, who corrects that? And then there's privacy. These AI schools collect enormous amounts of data on students, their learning habits, emotions, even voice patterns. Where does that data go? Who controls it? Parents are rightly worried about the safety of such personal information. Despite these concerns, technology-driven education is not slowing down. Around the world, countries like China, South Korea, and the United Arab Emirates are experimenting with AI classrooms. Some schools in China already use AI cameras to track student attention levels during class. Others provide AI-driven homework systems that grade and analyze every mistake. So, is this the end of teachers? Not necessarily. Many experts believe the best future is a hybrid model. Human teachers supported by AI tools. Imagine a classroom where AI handles routine tasks, like grading, quizzes, and personalized practice, while the teacher focuses on creativity, mentorship, and emotional support. This balance could give students the best of both worlds. The Virginia AI School might be a glimpse into the future, but it's also raising uncomfortable questions. If education becomes dependent on expensive technology, does that widen the gap between rich and poor? Will only wealthy families have access to cutting-edge AI learning while others are left behind? Education is supposed to be the great equalizer, but what happens if it becomes the great divider? At $65,000 per year, this AI school is clearly not designed for everyone. But like all new technology, the price may eventually drop. Remember when personal computers were only for the rich? Today, almost every home has one. Could AI schools follow the same path? Possibly. The key takeaway here is that education is changing faster than we ever imagined. Whether we like it or not, AI is entering classrooms. The question is, how do we use it responsibly? How do we ensure students get the benefits of personalized learning without losing the human touch? The Virginia experiment may succeed, or it may fail. But either way, it's forcing us to confront what the future of learning could look like. So what do you think? Would you send your child to a school run entirely by artificial intelligence? Or do you believe nothing can replace a human teacher? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. And if you found this video eye-opening, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others who care about the future of education, because this conversation is just beginning.